Hello, you guys, and welcome back to Fun Getaways. Hello to all my fun travelers. I am on my way to my favorite place in the world, Disney World, and I am at the airport. I want you guys to sit back and relax and enjoy my very first day traveling to Orlando, Florida to Disney World.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
Good morning, everybody. I am up early at the airport and getting ready to fly out to Disney. Whew, these early morning flights are tough and rough, but I am here. I'm excited and we're getting ready to get started. So see you when I get there. I made it to Orlando and I'm on a different side this time. Never been on this side, so flight went fantastic, no problems. So now we're getting ready to go get the Hertz car and go to my hotel. It's gonna be a surprise where I'm staying at. See you in a little bit. All right, you guys, we made it. I made it very safely to my hotel. I am staying at Port Orleans. I have never stayed here before, so I am pretty excited. There it is. I'm going to vlog a little bit, let you guys see a little bit of the hotel. But overall, it was really easy to get here. This time I rent a car. Normally I might take the bus, but I decided to go ahead and just rent a car this time. And it was so easy. And my flight was good this morning. No complaints there. I have to say everything was pretty smooth. So I'm going to walk in and see if I can do an early check-in. They may or may not. My room may or may not be ready. But I'm going to go ahead and see if I can. All right, I'll pick you guys back up in a moment. All right, you guys, I got me some lunch. I'm gonna try the gumbo, and I also got those famous beignets. So when I get to the room, I'll show you guys a little bit of that. But this is my first time being here at Port Orleans, and let me tell you something, I love it already. I love this aesthetics. I love the way this resort feels. It's one of the smallest resorts here at Disney World, so it's very, very nice. It don't feel overcrowded. I also see a place where you can do your laundry. It's right over here, which I will definitely be doing. Also, later on, I'll take you guys by the pool area so you can check it out. It looked like my room might be somewhere over here. I did request a first level, a first floor, and a corner. So hopefully I have that request. She said I did. But as of right now, the weather is great. I love coming to Disney around December, early December. The weather is always pretty nice. And I am just loving this resort. Already, I see why this is such a popular resort to book, because it's really, really nice already. And I'm gonna give you a little quick view of the pool real quick. So that's the pool area. And now let's see if I can find my room. I do see 5141 is me. So I must be at the other end here. So let's go check it out. Now I can see here. I'm gonna go try to find my room. Let's see. 5141. The arrow said back this way. I wonder if it's, I know it said a garden view, so let's see. Oh wow, look at those redbirds. 5141. I think it's around this way. Let's see. this could be my room right here. It is. Yay! So I do have a corner, and it's very nice. You guys, look at this. I am in the garden section. Very, very nice. And you can see this is the corner room. If you ever wonder why it's so good to do a corner room, you have two nice windows, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and see if my magic band will work. Let's see if that works. And it does. We have some magic. Oh, how nice. See if we can put some light on. As you can see, we got a nice little Mickey beads, Port Orleans. And yes, I'm loving the corner window. It gives you a little bit more light. Let's see if we can turn on some more light here. There we go. They also have the new little, kind of Alexa type ears. You can ask questions and help you out. Nice size TV. There we go, Liddell family. And I do believe, yep, it has a cooler in there, pretty decent size. A lot of plugs and ports. This is your coffee. See my corner room. It's kind of warm in here, so I'm gonna try to get it cool. Nice little bench. Let's see if we can get this temperature set just a little cooler. For right now, the room is a little warm. But you can see here, most rooms are all made the same, but they do have the hardwood floor, which I really, really like. Two nice size beds. I think these might be fulls or queens. And then let's check out the bathroom. Great thing here, you do have two sinks, which is really good. Hello, hello. Got my little Mickey shirt on. I showed you guys when we're packing. There's no like closet, but you do have a space with a bunch of hangers. You can put a lot of your, got the iron, extra blanket and pillows. And the bathroom here. Let's see. Just your typical bathroom, but very, very nice. Very, very clean. As you can see, still using some of the Disney, I don't know if this H2O, I know they were changing, but they do have some in there. The curtains are cute. It's got Tiana with the Princess and the Frog. These bathrooms are really, really small here. I think that's the Royal Caribbean, not the Royal Caribbean. All of them are normally monitors are kind of made similar. So it says, please do not throw wipes and things like that in the toilet. And you do get one little soap thing there, some lotion. I see her down there. I might get some more lotion real quick. But yeah, this is the room. There you go. Very, very nice. Really nice details. I love this room a lot. Nice flooring. Got some plugs there. Nice artwork. And I think by the bed we have some more plugs as well. Yeah. This room also have a ceiling fan. So let's see. Yep. There we go. Have a ceiling fan if you need that air to circulate a little bit more in the room. It can do so. A lot of room space. If you do like to unpack, that smells practically new. Like no one does it. But the room in great condition. Great condition. Really love it. Hello, hello. I'm so excited. Keep in mind though, the wash area do not have a door, but they do have like this little curtain that you can pull for privacy. So that's what they have in this room. But other than that, all right, let me pull out my food and let's check it out. Oh, I didn't even notice the Disney towel. Look at that. How cute. All right. Hello, you guys. I just wanted to take you on a little bit of a walk. I'm getting ready to go to Riverside. I have a reservation at Boatwright restaurant. But I said earlier in the video I was going to let you see a little bit more of the swimming area. And as you can see here, this is the new slide that they did refurb. It did look a little scary at night with the eyes just glowing, but overall it was a very nice pool. I did get chances to just kind of hang out at the pool when I was later on in my trip. But this is a place too where you can either take the boat or you can take the pathway. But yeah, I just want you guys to check out the pool a little bit more. All right, you guys, I had reservations at one of the restaurants at the neighbor resort. I might take the boat or I could take this pathway. Don't know when the next boat is coming. I could just walk. We will figure it out as long as I can get over there for my dining reservation. Hi, you guys. I am here at Boatwright's dining hall. I'm going to be having dinner tonight. I am going to let you guys know what I think about it. I think they have all-you-can-eat platters, which is a really good thing. I might try one of those. And it's more of a New Orleans type like dinner menu. So I will let you guys know what I think about it because you know I am from Louisiana. So it should be pretty good. So for the gumbo early today, I was so hungry, y'all. I ate it before I even showed it to you. It was really, really good. So let me get y'all straight here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and look at the menu. I already kind of scanned it for you guys and see if I can meet my person who's going to serve me, and I'll let you guys pick you back up when the food come out. You guys, got me some cornbread and a very delicious drink.
Good evening.
You too. Bye-bye. You too. Alright, you guys, I've got my food and it smells pretty good, I have to say. We're gonna sit and try it out. I'm a messy eater, so I have to put my little bib on. I got the shrimps and grits, so we're gonna see what the shrimp and grits gonna be about. Every place does their shrimps and grits a little different, so gosh, I got that stuff on here. Let me see. It's flavors. Oh wow, let's see. It is pretty thick grits. That's pretty good. I have to say the shrimps are cooked perfectly. Like to you. Okay, guys, as you can see here, what my total cost was for a dinner for one here at the restaurant. I think it came to 54.32, and that's not including your tip. So this is why I always say when you come to Disney, most thing that you will be paying for is your food. If it was two of us, that would have probably been $100 just for two people, but it was just me, and the only thing I had was a drink, an appetizer, and my main entree. So there you go, $54. Hello, you guys. Unfortunately, I missed the shuttle to take me back to my resort. So I had to walk the path back, which was fine. It was an easy walk right back to my resort. So I decided just to give you guys a quick tour of Riverside, since they are very close to each other, like a sister resort. And then you can see here, this is the Riverside arcade. It was so large. It had so many games. It is larger than Port Orleans. So if you had kiddos, or maybe you're just maybe you like to enjoy arcade games, I would definitely say come to Riverside and enjoy their arcade, because they had so many games to play and to select from. As you can see, you guys, they had a lot of Christmas selections of merchandise you can pick from during this time. This is my favorite time to come to Disney, is the holiday time. And they also had some ears, as you can saw, that was on sale for $20. Yes, I did buy them, and some other items as well. So Riverside, little store here was really bigger than Port Orleans as well. Each resort has their own, particular items dedicated to their resort. But Riverside had a little bit more than Port Orleans, I can say. Alright, you guys, please give this video a like, and thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And also hit the notification, because we have a lot more Disney videos coming your way.